In the bustling town of Adventure Bay, a unique alliance was forming between two unlikely groups. Lightning McQueen, the renowned race car, was invited by Ryder, the young leader of Paw Patrol, to join the team on a special mission. It was race day in Adventure Bay, an event eagerly anticipated by every resident. All eyes were on the sky, where brilliant banners announced the main spectacle: Lightning McQueen versus Chase, the possum racing pup. Excitement was building as the day began. The tracks were set, the stands were full, and the racers were ready to conquer the challenge. But just as the race was about to begin, a sudden gust of wind swept through the bay, knocking down several flags and causing the crowd to stir. "We've got a disaster on our paws," Ryder exclaimed, calling a meeting with McQueen and the team. "The wind's unpredictable, and we need to secure those flags before they become dangerous." McQueen revved his engines, ready to help, while Chase, ever resourceful, devised a plan to stabilize the flagpoles with Marshall and Rubble's assistance. Sky flew overhead to assess the situation and provide feedback. The race took on an unexpected twist, shifting from a competition between racers to a timed rescue mission. Together, they implemented Chase's plan, using his net launcher to secure the flags and prevent them from flying away. Marshall brought out his fire truck and ladder, working alongside Rubble's crane to carefully realign and stabilize the fallen flagpoles. Meanwhile, McQueen zipped between the obstacles, providing support wherever needed. As Sky hovered strategically above, she relayed crucial information back to Ryder, guiding them through the operation. Within minutes, the flags were once again secured, and the racetrack was safe. The crowd roared with applause as Ryder announced, "Thanks to Lightning McQueen and the Paw Patrol, the race can go on." As Lightning lined up beside Chase a second time, the residents of Adventure Bay cheered louder than ever. The whistle blew, and the race resumed. Though the day's events took an unexpected turn, Adventure Bay had witnessed the power of teamwork and friendship, where winning was not about crossing the finish line first, but about supporting each other through challenges. Lightning McQueen may have joined the Paw Patrol temporarily, but he left an enduring mark on Adventure Bay. With the race providing thrill, excitement, and unity, the day concluded with every participant leaving the track as a winner in their own right.